Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video from Bargains, beadboxbargains.com. It's like day 7 of my earring challenge, my 30-day earring challenge, and I made days 5 and 6. I was not into it, so here's day 6. I don't see Dave. Okay, here's day 5 actually. And so because I wasn't into it, I just made the simplest earrings on the planet, so I didn't even make a video. Like, there's no point. So I just grabbed some Zuni Bears, some Millefiori beads, and a spacer from Bargain Bead Box, wire wrapped the Zunis, and made a super simple earring. It's cute though. And then another simple pair that I guess they still qualify because they're still earrings, but just some bead caps, some acrylic beads, some check glass. So thought they were pretty cool. They're not going to win awards. That's not the point. It's to get you making. So let's see what's in this box. Okay, so this has been in my house for days and I'm just opening it. I got obviously a lot of check glass. That seems to be all I get from them these days because they have a lot of cool check glass beads. So I have a cart, but a lot of the things are already gone from the cart at the store. I've kind of tried to tone down my Bead Box Bargains purchases, but obviously not doing that well on it. So, let's see. This is one of the better freebies they've given me. Let's see what this is. Some check glass. Oh, they're kind of like a brown mustard, opaque look. They're really pretty. Table cut check glass. Very nice. I like those. It's one of the nicer freebies they've given me. I know they gave me like some dented pearls one week. I was like, what? Oh, look, they gave me, oh, maybe I bought these. I think I bought these. So some daisy spacers. We have some fire polish beads. So these are like metallic. They look kind of ghosty to me. I know that's not really a word that you would apply to beads, but they just look kind of ghosty. I don't know how to explain it. And then here's one of my favorite finishes on check glass beads are those metallic rainbow. And I actually used those from Sam's Bead Shop on this pair of earrings, but they're not well, maybe they're fire polished, but they're not this shape. And another one of the ghosties. And then we have a blue and white cloudy set. And these are all 6mm and they're gorgeous. Okay, do I have any other? I don't think I'm seeing any other fire polish. I got these, not roses, tulips. You guys know I'm nuts for their tulips. These are a bright hot red, which they might have called them pink or something on the site, but I knew they were red. They're just really cool. Got a couple of those. I wasn't too sure about these when I saw them on the site. Let's see what they look like. They're like almost like bicone beads. Yeah, these aren't as nice as I thought they would be. And they don't even really seem like check because they're kind of, I don't know. I guess the holes on some of them, yeah, they seem like holes on check beads. Holes on check beads are usually rounded, but like that one's damaged. This isn't the nicest strand of beads. It looks, honestly, even though I know it's check glass, it looks like, you know, cheap Chinese crystal that you get for like $1 a strand. So I'm kind of disappointed with those, which is not easy for me to say because I'm not usually disappointed with my Bargain Bead Box stuff. And unfortunately, I got this shape in several different colors. Maybe once I get them into a project, I'll like them a little bit better, but straight off the strand, I just don't like them. And that's weird for me to say at all about beads. This set's okay. It's better. It's not as cheap looking, but still don't love it. Like, they're not very uniform. Like, this one is like rounded, and these are more sharp, precise. Some purple. Yeah, there's like chips in these. I don't like these. And then I love this color. You know I do. I just said it, but the rainbow metallic. I mean, these are the nicest ones out of the 5 colors. Maybe 4 colors I got. 1, 2, 3, 4 colors I got. But I still don't really love them. Like, I could do without these. Not telling you not to get them, but I certainly wouldn't get them again. Okay, and then we have some more like oblong strands. I got 3 of this color. I think it's pretty cool. It looks kind of like sports colors, right? I just thought that was a neat color mix. This is more like a Christmas mix. Green, brown, white, red. A little bit of turquoise in there. Cool. And then a blue and green hybrid. Not my favorite shape, I gotta say. And I'm not in a bad mood. So it's not affecting how I like these beads. It's just not my favorite shape. And I really didn't like those beads, which you guys know that I really love beads, so I never say stuff like that. But it's okay. It's an okay shape. I like this orange and blue one a lot better than the other 2. It's good. And then, let's see. I think they were like experimenting with new shapes, but and I saw some other new shapes and they're not floating my boat. Thankfully I like these. These are pretty cool. Those are really neat. I love these. Oh, these are so pretty. These would be a fantastic like aquatic necklace for summer. Like just something beachy. Are these 2 different? Oh, I was gonna say, are these 2 different types, but I don't think so. Because I'm seeing some like solid turquoise here. And some solid turquoise there. But I don't really see any solid turquoise on these 2. So maybe they're 2 different. You know, I don't think so. I think I just got 4 of the same strand. I think they're really pretty though. I love those. I like that shape. Oh, of course I got some seashells because they're so pretty. I mean, if I ever need a job, I could just move to somewhere with a beach and just sell some beach jewelry with the amount of shell stuff I have. This is really pretty. These are really pretty. I really like these. These would go really well with the Jesse James beads mix. What's it called? Mermaid or Let's Be Mermaids in Splash. Oh my gosh, I couldn't think. That would be really pretty with this. And then these are so cool. And they had actually run out of these a while back and they were in my cart and I didn't get them. So I'm glad they brought them back. They are little rondelles, like flat rondelles, but I love that they're matte and that they're swirled with blue, gray, and like a tan taupe. I love that. You can use those in men's jewelry too. And then last but not least, I had to get cats. I had to get a lot of cats. Every time I see these cat beads, I have to get them no matter what color they are. So I got them in like a taupe, like golden taupe. They're actually not all just cream. I think there's a little bit of purple in there. I didn't notice that. Just like a hint of purple in there. They're really cool. I want to make a bracelet out of these. These would be really cool in a bracelet. And then I had to get these. They're like teal green, and they're gorgeous. And the metal color is copper. I don't know if you can tell that, but these are gold and these are copper. Gold, copper. So, favorite beads, these guys, these guys, these guys, and these guys. So, surprise, surprise, look at the color combo. I really do like the tulips. They weren't my favorite this time though. I love the ghosty beads. Actually, these look really good with all these too. And not a huge fan at all of these. I might just stash them. I don't know. I feel like somebody would like them. Maybe I'll put them in my group for sale. I don't know. And then these are cool. I like the colors. Not a huge fan of the shape. But I think they could be good spacer beads in a necklace done correctly. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Sorry it was a little bit of a downer with those beads, but you know I love these. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Please like and subscribe. We're almost at 7,000 viewers. You know I do a live and a giveaway every 1,000 subscribers. And I have something absolutely crazy planned for 10,000. So the sooner we get there, the sooner the craziness can begin. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye, cutie. Hi, cutie. Hi. Look at that little face. It's so cute. It's the cutest face on the planet. Yeah? You's a cutie pie? Yeah? Yeah? That's a good girl. Yes, you are. We're happy it's the weekend, huh? Yeah, we're happy it's the weekend. Oh, you just don't care. You just want tummy rubs. Okay. I get it. I get it. All right, say happy weekend.